Hello, beautiful people of the internet. I hope everybody's going extremely well. Welcome to another David Tick stream. We're going to be going through some live results with Vlad today. Hope everybody's going well. Let me move the screen. I've got Vlad on the screen by himself. Hello there, Vlad. Not sure how to change it. Put it together. Hello, Vlad. How you going, mate?
All good, all good. I had my moment. I guess I can leave now, right?
Absolutely. Hope everybody's going extremely well. Welcome to another David Tick stream. As I just said, we're delighted to have Vlad on the stream again, our wonderful optimizing king, who's going to be going through some of the setups with me today. We're going to be going through the elite backtesters June's setups. I've got June setups for today, July's for tomorrow, because there are so many of them. They're so good. I thought I'd make 2 streams out of it. Crypto is pumping. Let's have a look at the old screens over here now. Let's not try and move Vlad this time. There we go. So crypto is doing pumping. We've got some absolutely wonderful entries most recently. Our ARB strategy, we felt like it was letting us down with 2 losses in a row recently, but not doing too bad. I'm currently trading this one. This is actually Vlad's setup, which is slightly better than Gentle Sir's, which is slightly better than my one, which was slightly better than Gentle Sir's, who actually originally found this setup for us. I mean, 20,000% with only 27% max drawdown. I know that seems a lot, but when you look at 20,000%, and also we can reduce the leverage, going extremely, extremely well. This is the one that Vlad found for us, all doing extremely well. This was another setup. I mean, the ARB strategy is absolutely insane. When you look at this here, I posted this on Twitter earlier. I mean, we got our validation candle here. The stop loss was here. No, total fit was here. The stop loss was here, and it just got straight through the take profit. So absolutely fantastic. Really, really, very, very happy with that. And what's so nice about it is it's a very versatile strategy, which we found, which we'll be talking a bit about in a moment. Everything's green. The markets are green, which is nice to see. Everything seems a lot more bullish in crypto around the world, I guess, even in stocks. everything seems a lot more bullish. I think we hit the 122 not long ago on BTC, looking good. Is anybody else in the chat? How is your trading going? I saw that Dexter is in the chat. Hi Dexter, how you going? Anybody else got any wonderful trades being pinged off by the bots most recently? I'd love to know how your trading is going. I can see that we're about 45 people on YouTube. So yeah, if you had any great trades, don't forget to put it in the chat, guys. I'd love to know how your trading is going from you.
Regarding best
Like I said,
trades and
yes.
sorry, excuse me.
Go for it, mate. Go for it.
Yesterday we have received an amazing comments which I just couldn't I couldn't post it inside our share your wins and testimonials. Let me just read it out, or David, you might be able to just pull it on top of the screen.
No, go for it. Go for it. Go for it. I'm going to go through the Discord as well. I'll show some Discord while you're there as well, because it's just absolutely, we're killing it at the moment. We're absolutely killing it. It's not us personally. It's you guys that are killing it, but I'm ever so happy. Go for it, Vlad.
Exactly. So it was a comment which was made by one of our members, which says, I took a test account with $1,000, and in 3 months now he's at about $6,500. Amazing.
Yeah. Incredible. Absolutely incredible. Just here on Discord. Now, this is open. Anybody can share your wins, share your losses inside of Discord. We don't moderate it in the slightest, but as you can see, these wins are absolutely brilliant. Very, very proud of everybody that's in David Tech. Done such a fantastic job. Fantastic job, guys. Congratulations to you all. Absolutely brilliant. Can't write a message. I can see you, Edward. We can see your message. Hope you're going well, mate. Chat is disabled on YouTube. Oh, okay. So I will go away and fix that. Maybe it's because we've put it accidentally as child. That's maybe why there's nobody watching. Because we accidentally set it as a kids, maybe. Let's go there. Let's have a look. Is made for kids. Yes. No, it isn't made for kids. So we certainly don't want that, guys. If you want to chat and say hi, thanks, William. Thank you very much, guys. Yes, so if you want to chat, you might have to refresh. Apologize about that. Yes, it was added to YouTube Kids. So I guess that maybe some kids.
I was ready to bring up my costume. What are you doing? Papa Bear was in the house, you know?
Absolutely. Absolutely. All good. Fantastic. Thanks, Will. Well, maybe so. We've hopefully motivated some kids to go away and algo trade instead of trading manually. Yes. So anyway, thanks very much for pointing it out, guys. Hi, guys. Hi. Yes. There was me thinking that we pissed people off. There was no chat in there. I thought, wonderful. Nice to see you all. Papa Bear. Absolutely. That has got to be one. Yeah, absolutely. If we win WSOT, you'll be dressed up as Papa Bear, Vlad.
I'll take it.
Yeah. Okay, cool. As long as I'm not Mama Bear, we're all good.
Hey, you know, I haven't said no. There is no no.
Dear, oh dear. Where is this conversation going? Hi, Will. Hi, Dexter. How you going, mate? Sorry about earlier. Yeah, it's nice to see you, mate. Thank you very much for everything you do for the community. It's such a pleasure to have you as part of the team as well, Dexter. Rack. Yes. Thank you, mate. Thank you so much for the comment yesterday. It just makes our day. Now over 8,040. Wow. Incredible. Incredible. I don't know what to say, mate. I'm so happy for you. Congratulations. Thank you very much for putting it into the comments. It makes us very happy and makes us continue and makes us feel as though it's worth our while. So anyway, we're not just going to sit bragging all day. We could sit bragging all day, but we're not going to sit bragging all day. We've got some missions. First of all, obviously, the disclaimer, as you can see down below, is that we are not in the slightest financial advisors. None of this is financial advice. We're here just debunking strategies, going through the market, trying to find strategies. I go through YouTube, through PDFs that I find on the internet, try to find the best strategies. Then I code them and I backtest them and forward test them. I think we're the only community that actually puts every single strategy through forward testing like this here. You can see on the website, there's the back testing, and that's what the live results would have been if that strategy would have been actually trading. This is easy to fake. This is really, really hard to make go real live. So yes, so we are not in the slightest financial advisors. Please also be careful as Bitcoin is pumping. There's loads of scammers out there. I will never ever reach out to you and ask you. I do have to update this because Patreon's no longer available, but I do have to update this. We will never ever reach out to you and never ask for your Bitcoin. I'll never ask for anything. You can get everything on David Tech for totally for free by signing up to one of our partners. That's either 2bit or Bybit or Blowfin. Or you can, there is a couple of pay packages as well, but you can get absolutely everything for free by going through that. So yeah, so please be careful of scammers. They're out to get your crypto. Yeah, that was it really. So getting on, as I said earlier, I was going to present that, but I presented it already. This is our ARB bot, which I'm very proud of, which was optimized by the wonderful gentle sir himself, then Vlad afterwards. So they've done a fantastic job of that. This bot pretty much helped a lot of copy traders or master traders on Blowfin and Bybit to get into the top leaderboards, and it's still doing an absolutely fantastic job. So very, very happy and proud of that one. Next one, on Twitter, on X, I posted a little bit of a poll. What is asking, well, it's a bit more of a competition, a giveaway, for you guys to guess what this is. What is this chart? Which coin pair was it? I was looking for the words. Which coin pair do you think this is? It's actually Link. So it was this chart here, this one here on Link USDT. I'm trading this one, but it is one of the least traded charts on David Tech, which is insane because it is, like I said, not financial advice, but it is such a beautiful equity curve. It's absolutely pumping. It is not getting any not highlighted at all in the elite back testers. It's doing absolutely brilliant. I know that not many people are trading it. So there was a winner, and that winner was CryptoFar. Congratulations if CryptoFar is in the actual chat. You've won 1 month of David Tech for free. I will do more often to try and highlight some of these strategies on Twitter. So if you want a month of free of David Tech, keep an eye on the Twitter. It's david.tech on Twitter, or X nowadays. I'm getting old. But yeah, congratulations to him. It was the Link chart, McGinley strategy, this one here on Link, and it's doing brilliant. I mean, even the max drawdown is only 16% when you look at 3,140%, profit factor of 1.8. And in live trading, so incubation means in live trading, it's made 2,300 of that 3,100% in live trading. So pretty awesome, absolutely awesome as a strategy. Guys, I see that Felipe is in the chat. Hi, Felipe. How you going, mate? Nice to see you. We're happy to be back, and I'm so happy to see people like you that I've missed for a while. Everything's back to normal, and I'm back to normal, so I'm happy to see everybody here. Missed out by 3 minutes. Crypto J, I saw your message. Next time, mate. Next time. I'll keep an eye out for your message next time. You've been following the bot for a while, but it doesn't take trades on Blowfin. Okay, so there's several reasons that might have been. Number one, not for this strategy. There's a couple of reasons that a strategy may not have. If it's come past its quota, there is a quota of number of people that it can follow it, which is somewhere on the site. As an admin, I don't think I've got it. There's a maximum number of followers on each one of these strategies. If it doesn't take a trade, you will have received a Telegram message. This isn't the case for this one because it hasn't. But other than that, if there is a bug, there won't be a bug, but if there's a problem with the connection or whatever, just reach out to me, Vlad, or William in Discord, and we'll jump on to Discord or whatever, and we'll help you work out why it hasn't taken a trade. Maybe equity or something like that. I'm not sure why. But we're certainly there to help you. What's happening with the strategy optimizer? Absolutely, it's part of today's show. We've got the optimizer. There's a huge update coming. I don't know if I've actually got it here. Huge update coming very, very soon. It's gone through the works. We've got a developer dedicated to the optimizer now. As you can see, it's completely changed. He's dedicated to building the optimizer and making it fast. Number one, it's faster. I was just going to do this at the end of the show, but anyway, the question's here, so I might as well do it now. It's much faster. It does everything that it should do, like the deep back testing, things like that. It does the entire history, does everything that it should do. His next job is going to be this thing here because we've been trying to do it for about a year and a half, but I haven't been able to find a developer to actually do it. But now he's spending all of his time doing it. He's spent about a month changing everything to make it faster, making sure that the watch list and all of that is working. So I'd expect in the next 3 to 4 days maximum a update for the optimizer for everybody. And as you can see, we have been working hard on it to make it better. Most importantly, faster and accurate. I've just put my browser over in the corner over here, and now I can't get hold of it. Okay, I'll do that afterwards anyway. Right, okay, so back to the day's objectives. So we had the R bot. Congratulations. The elite backtesters. I really want to rekindle the vibe now that I'm back and everything's back to normal. I'd really like to get the Kingdom. Vlad's been doing a fantastic job, but we haven't been doing the money giveaways. We haven't been doing all of those kind of things as often. So I really want to give back to the community and bring back the elite backtesters what it was before. Make it vibrant, a place to be for algo traders. If you guys want to come and join me again, that would be absolutely amazing. I'm expecting for us to all come up with the same sort of high quality expectation. Over the past couple of weeks or months even, months more than weeks, we've done such a fantastic job of optimizing these strategies. I mean, they're 100 times better than what they were 2 years ago. They are so good now that it's unfair that we put bad settings with good settings. Vlad's now doing live streams every single day inside of Discord to help anybody, to try and help you get up your game and find the best settings. Always we're going to have fees. We've always had fees included. It's 0.04%, which is the fee that you get when you use the David Tech affiliate link. We've done that since the very beginning. So there's a little bit of a push for Kubit, one that's currently helping us sponsoring the stream and things like that. If you use the David Tech links down below, you get a reduction in the fees, which should take you to around 0.04, which gives you an extra edge on the market as well. So that's why we did that in the first place at 0.04. We expect minimum take profits and minimum maximum stop losses. At the very beginning, there wasn't, but there has been for a long time, so that hasn't changed. And we're going to be doing that through all of the David Tech strategies. Already spoke about the 10x leverage. We're going to accept the best from the submits. So anything that's subpar isn't great, Vlad will help you. It will be in Discord, like I said, every day to help you try and find better settings. He's also going to be sharing his settings first of all with anybody that's going to be part of the WSOT. I think that was a rule, wasn't it, Vlad, that you come up with? Yeah. Anybody that's going to come and join our team, he's going to send you extra settings, and then he's sharing his settings from all of the optimization sessions that we do together to get you really off the ground and get you started. So, like I said, Vlad's going to be doing it, and he's going to be sharing settings. We're kind of the underdogs trying to beat the hedge funds at their own game, and we're doing a bloody good job of it. We're doing absolutely fantastic. Anybody that's participated in the elite bank testers should be bloody proud of themselves, because there's so many people that are profitable thanks to our small community. We are a small community. There's a lot of people on YouTube, but we really are a very small community. So give yourselves a little bit of a pat on the back. Glad you can give yourself a pat on the back as well. I know William's in the background watching us. He can give himself a pat on the back as well. You're doing such a fantastic guy, and yeah, we're doing it. We're doing it. We're fucking crashing it. Excuse my language, but we are crashing it. So if anybody wants to come and join my team, you can also find that down below. I really would like to. I don't know if we'll be able to win, but I certainly want to show everybody that algo trading is the best way to make money in the market. I think this is maybe another opportunity. We've opened copy trading accounts to make and told everybody not to follow them because of the 10%. It was just a way of us showing you guys the transparent results. And I think that this may be another way for us to be able to show people that algo trading is the way forward. So I'm going to be participating in the WSOT event. I do need 10 people, at least 10 people to follow me. If well, not follow me, but to be part of the team. You don't have to follow any trades or anything. You continue trading in your own style. But I do need 10 people at least in my team. So if you know 10 people, jump in with me and I will happily share with anybody my strategies. I'll give you my strategies. Not only will I give you my strategies, but I'll give you access to the bots, the settings that I use, and all of that kind of thing as a bit of a thank you for following along. Back to the Elite Backtesters. This wonderful button here is back. So you will be able to go over to TradingView and copy the TradingView charts over to your website. It's back as midnight tonight. There's tons of new strategies. There's over 100, I think it's 120 new strategies that have been added to the website. They're currently going through the process of the bot going to get all the data. So there's loads with just zeros on them at the moment, but they will be on there very soon. 100 new strategies, and they are seriously good strategies. They are what I would say. I mean, I can pull this over. I can show you something. There you go. We've got these strategies here. Some of them are looking amazing. This is Aero here. This is one that I actually optimized. We'll go through that in a minute. Just look at some of these here. I mean, these are serious strategies. I mean, these aren't. Look at that. I mean, these are no longer. That one's fallen off the edge, but let's ignore that one. We're carrying along. Some of these are, well, a lot of them are absolutely fantastic. We'll go through them all in a minute anyway. But yeah, so they're much better. That was June. July, even better. There's even more. We'll go through July tomorrow because otherwise we'll be here forever and a day. And yeah. Right, I'm going to continue on. So it's a bit of a protected space. So I want to protect it a little bit more because if we put too many people on the same one, like we've done with the ARB and all of that, we are going to end up destroying it. So it's going to be a protected space. I'm not just going to give it to everybody, but we are going to create a credit system. This wasn't in slightest in any of the packages on David Tech, so we're giving it away as a trying to get people involved and helping them to do to become better algo traders. So it's a little bit of a gift. We're going to be giving 3 credits away to the VIP members. So that means that you can press that button on 3 charts and add directly the David Tech strategy and its settings onto 3 charts. That's 3 charts every single month. So you get 3 charts every month you can copy from David Tech, hoping that it will give you enough motivation to come into Discord and share your settings that you've found thanks to the optimizer. We'll go through the optimizer on Friday this week a little bit more as it's going through an update. And I'll show you how to optimize and find settings and things like that. You get 3 credits to put over to your account. As an elite, you get 5 credits. That's elite paying. You get 5 credits. So this is 5 credits away for free. That may be reduced. It may be increased as we go along. As an elite crew, now elite crew is a new Discord member, Discord role inside of Discord. This is the participating members. This is the majority of the elite backtesters. It is the participating members of the elite backtesters. Anybody that's sent us settings that they found, you will get 10 credits for the next month. These are 10 rolling credits. So that means that if you don't use the 10 credits, they'll grow over time. And it means that you get more and more credits to be able to. And then finally, we have the OGs. The OGs are the people that have been helping since the beginning, are there month in, month out. They're people that are really, really been essential to the community. You know who you are. I mean, you really have been fantastic. You have unlimited credits like you have had before. Nothing changes for you guys. You will continue to get unlimited credits for David Tech every month as long as you participate in Elite Backtesters. So yeah, a big thanks to the OGs as they are absolutely amazing. Vlad, anything you wanted to add? No, you're good? I thought...
All good. All good, all
Oh,
good.
good. Okay, mate. I thought you raised your hand. I'm almost finished. We've gone through that. I'm going to go through the charts afterwards that we're going to be adding, which I'm really impressed with, and even more so for tomorrow. The optimizer, as I said, has a huge update. We're coming with some really exciting features. I think we're going to roll it out just with updates for speed and things like that first, and then we'll add more features as we go along to make your optimization easier, faster, and better. And now I'm going to do the same job that Vlad does, but Vlad will probably do it a million times better than me. But I'm still going to do it anyway. I'm going to do my best. Guys, we're going to go first of all through a couple of questions.
First of all,
on screen, yes.
I see a very important member which actually has commented. But also a question. This would be Soperator. He's again one of the best elites that we have, in my opinion, inside the David Tech community. And also has asked this question. The answer would be, of course, you are no longer a new buy. No way near a new buy, in my opinion.
Yeah. No way, mate. Yeah, you absolutely can. There's the only thing is to become part of the team. We're a team together. We'll do streams together throughout the whole of the competition. I think it's almost 4 weeks of competition. We'll do streams all the time. We'll analyze whoever wants to with bots. I'll share bots with everybody. Come along, even if you don't take any trades whatsoever. It doesn't make any difference whatsoever. You just come along, be part of the team, and we'll have some fun together. Play poker.
You're not required, David, to say that to Soperator. He might even be a better optimizer than I am.
Oh, without doubt, yeah, absolutely. He's not a newbie, yeah, absolutely. But anybody who is a newbie, please come along. You're welcome. Like I said, we're just going to have some fun together. And I want to know who is Sensei and who is Coach.
That will be you.
You're above me. You're above me, mate. You're above me. You're a better optimizer than me nowadays. Anyway, guys, so any other questions? Oh, not sure who did that. I see, right. Any other questions? Any other questions before we go? Okay, I see the question.
I don't think there will be any copybot change, right? They're still as they were.
Exactly as they were. No changes whatsoever. They're exactly as they were. They're the same thresholds, the same bot, the same number of followers that are allowed for each one of the bots. Everything will be the same. The only thing is that when you get the certain stage of algo trading, this is the next part. So this is where the real money, well, even more money is being made. This is where you can make lots more money. I'm adding lots of new features to the boilerplate, which is going to increase the profitability of the boilerplate, which will increase or decrease your position size even more so than it currently does in comparison to compared to what the market going on, what's going on in the market. So this is really, and by giving away credits to TradingView, the strategies and the settings and all of that, what I want to do is try and give you a little bit of motivation to come and join us and be part of this part, because this is where all of the money is really made.
Exactly.
Okay, a couple of
Also,
setups. Yes.
As a side note, I see there is a support discussion. Can you please show David everybody where they can find the support chat inside our website?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure. Guys, I have access to my website without a VPN. Just amazing. Right, yesterday I had problems. I couldn't get into the website because of the VPN. So the support is here. You can go here in the corner. You can talk to us here anytime. Support questions if you have any problems with the chatting or whatever. No, anything. Sorry, I just saw Dexter laughing in the corner. Yeah, I just saw. So if you have any questions, tech questions or questions about David Tech, how to get it set up, you can come in here. We are on Discord every single day. I'm in the general chat every day myself. Vlad is in the Elite Backtesters every day himself. He's on talking on cam most days, and I will be in as well 2 Thursdays per month. Throughout the WSOT, I will be also more often just hanging out and talking about the current trades and things like that inside of Discord. So any questions, you can get hold of us either in Discord or on this nice blue button down the bottom here. Right. Crypto Princess, how are you going? Nice to see you again. Nice to see you, Crypto Princess. Maybe you want to jump on some streams with us, Crypto Princess. Lovely to have you on. Fantastic channel, guys, if you're looking for crypto content and more deep dives into people's lives and how they got into crypto. Certainly suggest going and having a look at Crypto Princess's channel. Like I said, Crypto Princess, if you want, we're here, we're back, so it's a bit quiet. I mean, I've taken a year off of YouTube, but it's a bit quiet. But if you want to jump in, you're more than welcome. You're more than welcome to come and jump in with us and say hello and talk about crypto. Okay, guys, so we're back. There is no music in the background. I'm going to put a little bit of music in. Is that loud enough? We good? Not too loud? Perfect. Good, good, good. Right. We're going to do some charts. This is where we need to work out a good rhythm between boring and information. So first one here is one that I did myself. It is the setup that Gentle Sir sent us. This is what's so amazing about this setup is it is so versatile and brilliant. It works on multiple coins, multiple time frames. It is very, very good. I'm currently at 400. It's on Aero USDT. I have a couple of others as well, which I will share throughout the next couple of weeks as well here on YouTube. This one is on Aero USDT. 22% max drawdown, 376 trades. We have a 59% win rate. The equity curve looks pretty good to me. I mean, it's a upwards move. Looking good. Looking very, very good. Not good? What do you mean?
I think I have a better one. That's it. Which I've just optimized today in front of everybody on Discord. Can I take over the screen share for a bit?
Yeah, put your money where your mouth is, man.
Okay.
Go for it.
Done.
Go for it. You're trying to be sensei, hey? Hold on, here we go. There we go. Vlad's up top. We're changing the name to Vladtik.
Exactly. Wow. I mean, let's just check out this one very quickly. We are starting on 15 minutes. I hope you guys can see my screen.
This is the same strategy, yeah?
Exactly the same. Just a little bit lower in the time frame and a couple of optimizations for the extra filters. Let's also check the beginning of the history available. I think July, yeah. So about 1 year of performance, waiting for TradingView to load. It's worth it to have a little wait.
Hold on. We got a drum roll here. Have a drum roll. Near enough perfect timing.
Drum exploded in the meantime. Right, so currently we are having in about 1 year about 8,600% profits. Maximum drawdown still the same, 28% like in our original backtest. Trades 1,200. The win rate 52%. So we do expect on average out of 2 trades to have one as a winner. And of course, about the same profit factor, 1.33. So far in the last 6 months, there was no negative month. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with the setup so far.
I guess you win.
Also works on
well done.
Multiple time frames.
30,
45, and so on.
We got a new name for David Tick.
Yo, Papa Bear here. I got my friend Dumbo. There you go.
Oh, thanks. Very impressive, yeah.
If we're winning it, I'm doing it. The costumes, the everything, the background, whatever. Yeah. I don't care.
Absolutely. Right. I'm going to have to share back my screen. I can see William smiling in the background now. I can see him. Right. Is that my screen? Yeah, it is my screen. Yeah. Right. Okay, guys. So hopefully this won't be the case for every single one of my charts. This could go on forever. These are not all my setups. This is the only setup that I sent that Vlad absolutely flattened. Congratulations, Vlad. Really cool. Nice to see a 15-minute scalping strategy as well. I'll do a video about that because that will get loads of views. And we might be able to rekindle the fire of David Tick. Right. Continuing. Off we go. We've got a Shiba Inu USDT. 719% and a max drawdown of only 11%. We only have 53 trades. Maybe it's because it's not the entire history. I did do an entire history of this. Maybe I'll refresh the browser. Let's have a look. Have to deep backtest. No, not that many trades, just a small number of trades. And it seems like every month's there, so it hasn't been limited by the small number of trades, but still looking pretty good. Personally, I'd leave this one to trade for longer. It's on a 30-minute time frame, so obviously there's a very, very small number of trades. It's been deep backtest, sorry, it's been in incubation since the 6th of June. Let's have a look very quick to see how many trades it's had since the 6th of June. If I go here, it's had quite a few trades since the 6th of June. So we're about here, number 57. So 57, so it's been here. So it's a bit sideways, maybe a couple of trades. I suppose the best thing I could do is just go to 30 days here and see how it looks.
It's made by Superator, so I expect it to be great. So
yeah. No, it's great. Well done, Superator. Let's go. Next one is BTC USDT. BTC has been the hardest for us to find settings for. I think 2 or 3 years ago they were easier to trade than it is now. I don't know if it's because the inefficiencies are being filled by the amount of liquidity that's coming into the market at the moment, and the way that the market's changing and things like that, but it just really is. It seems like we've almost become more altcoin traders than we have actually BTC traders nowadays. I don't know what your feeling is on that, Vlad.
I don't know. But yes, indeed, you're right. Since maybe like 1 year, it has been very rare to see a BTC setup, maybe like even less than one a session, maybe like one every 2 sessions, sometimes 2 setups each session. But optimizing BTC has been, the difficulty has been increased. I'm not entirely sure on the reason, but it definitely, there is a problem around that.
Yes. Yeah, I have a funny feeling.
Is it a problem? I don't know.
No. I mean, as long as we're profitable, it's good. As long as we're beating the benchmarks, because like Vlad said yesterday, there's no point in algo trading if you can hold and buy and hold and earn more money buy and holding. So yeah, sorry, somebody was phoning me. Yes, but it's been hard. It's not been hard. I mean, it's just not the easiest thing. I mean, finding BTC setups. I mean, my hardest one was finding an XRP setup. Now I find it easier to find XRP and lower cap coins. I do a setup for BTC. Sorry guys, somebody was phoning and it was ringing in my ears. It's hard to think. Next one, ETH. Off we go. ETH is not too hard. ETH is absolutely looking fantastic. This is by Jerry B. Jerry B, another fantastic optimizer from our channel, from our group. 3,700%. You can see here. 3,758%. We have a max drawdown of 19%, almost 20%. I'd say 20%. Number of trades. I don't know if I've got a magnifying glass because I know that. Whoa, we won't be doing that.
We can see it perfectly.
Forget that. Okay. We have number of trades here. Number of trades 345, and we have a win rate over here of 62%, which looks absolutely great. I'm not over the top here, so that's great. We are profit factor, guys, at 2.1, looking fantastic. The equity curve, absolutely insane. Let's have a look at buy and hold. I know that ETH is pumping at the moment. It's new, almost hit is a new all-time high. And you still, if you would have purchased ETH here, you'd be at a gain, but nothing like this chart. Fantastic, absolutely fantastic. Giving us the alpha on the market, absolutely brilliant. Moving on, Sol USDT, another fantastic looking chart. Totally different to this. This is what I'm talking about when we talk about diversification. I mean, this equity curve, number of trades, you can see the number of trades, you can see the equity curve doesn't look anything like this kind of equity curve. Totally different. The entries, well, obviously you need to look a little bit more detail into it and what's behind the strategy. But we have almost an 80% win rate on this one, 1,103. I suspect this is a multi-take profit. This is a multi-take profit strategy, which kind of eliminates it from me being trading it. I think that Vlad maybe trades some multi-take profits. I'm not sure.
Me personally, no, but I do have some of them on my shortlist
Read up.
on trying to make them work without multiple take profit levels, like trying to improve with single take profits. But it's like on my D tier list of things to do. So I don't think it's going to be anywhere near in the future.
Yeah. No. I just keep away from it. My reasoning is because of the stop loss, the take profit, and the entry are all things where there's too many variables in it. If you're waiting for a bot to close all these levels, there's slippage, there's things like that can affect your trade on each of these levels. So I just keep away from anything that complicates my trading. But there's lots of people that do trade it and are being successful. It's just my personal rules myself. There is one thing that you do have to be careful is this here is the number of trades. Each level here, so there's 3 levels here, is considered as one trade inside of trading view. So if that hit 3 take profits like this, that means that potentially there's really only around 300 trades. And also it will boost up the profit factor, the win rate as well. So they're the kind of things that, because it's extra calculation, because of all of that kind of thing, unless you take it out into Excel spreadsheet and then download it and work out really what the win rate is and things like that, it's just something that I like to keep away from. Is the last one compounding, or they're all compounding? They're all compounding. Everything's compounding. Maybe not. As yeah, they are all compounding. I'm sure that unless it hasn't been modified in the settings. I'm sure. The last one, this one here, I'm guessing you're talking about. So it's actually 11%. Normally it's 10%. So we're going to take it down slightly. 10% portfolio and 10x leverage. And it is percentage. So including compounding. Update report. Boom. That's saved. Next. Gala USDT. Another wonderful looking equity curve. A little bit big jaggy at the moment, so obviously if this is the live trading, we need to keep an eye on it, see how it goes. 5,000, but also these big dips like this are obviously amplified by the compounding effect, because obviously your sizes of your actual equities getting more. So something to look at. Something you can do is remove the compounding and see how that works without compounding. 5,540%. We have a max drawdown of 46%, which is a bit high. But like I keep saying, you can remove or reduce the amount of equity and reduce the amount of leverage you're using. Obviously, that's going to reduce your total P&L, but I certainly wouldn't trade a strategy with 46% max drawdown, but it certainly is worth looking at. Because there's plenty of the ones that I'm actually using at the moment would be 46% if I was using 10x leverage or 10% of the portfolio. But I have reduced them all to 1 to 3%, depending on the risk of the strategy, and maximum 10% 10x leverage on them. So that obviously is going to reduce hugely the max drawdown. Total number of closed trades at 310. We have a 40% win rate, which is good to see, although it's low. That obviously means that the risk to reward on this thing is pretty good. We have a profit factor of, as I said, look, it's good, 1.744. As you can see from the entries, this one here is, what strategy is this? This is the T3 Nexus. So we're using the T3 for trend direction, using 3 T3s for the trend direction. As you can see, the stop loss is considerably small in comparison to the take profit. So the risk reward obviously quite high on this. Let's have a look to see. We're using the ATR bands, and we're going to be using a stop loss of 2.6 for a short. So obviously the shorts are much more profitable, but 1.6 for a long. Fantastic. Looking good. I say that we haven't got many BTCs, but there's 4 setups in June. So let's see. Maybe it'll be the month that changes everything for us. BTC, another setup on BTC. We're on the 4-hour time frame, so there's plenty of data back tested here. We have 83 closed trades. Obviously, as it's on a higher time frame, there's going to be a lot less trades. The max drawdown is 23%, and we have a total P&L profit we have of 1,000%. Buy and hold in that time. Well, pretty much followed it the whole time. So yeah. Win rate of 68%, profit factor of 2.6. Personally, that's not enough trades for me to actually trade live. I'd leave it to what's the word? Incubate for live trade for a little bit longer to see how that plays out. Okay, good. Okay, somebody just said about the support. Okay, we have a BSW USDT. No idea. I've never traded that in the slightest, but the equity level looks amazing. We're on the Super FWA with zero lag. Now, this is an indicator. I love this indicator. Absolutely love it. The zero lag MACD is amazing. I think been very profitable for a long time for our community. Is this one here? If I could add it on. Like, I think it's the MACD enhanced. Maybe this one here. Don't know. I think that maybe a lag like this. Which one did I use? Zero lag like that, maybe. Nope, can't find it. Zero lag. D. Oh, blimey. That one. Let's try one of these here. I'm sure that. Normally there's 3 lines. That one there. Okay. Anyway, can't find it. I have zero lag MACD is an absolutely fantastic indicator. That was the one. Press there. The third line here. Now I'm not sure which color it is on this one here, but I've back tested a heck of a lot of MACD setups. Absolutely tons of them. Tons that I've never ever released, and the zero lag MACD has been one of the more profitable setups that I've found. Very good indicator. I'm not sure it's this one here. I'll put it into Discord afterwards if anybody's interested. Working with the FVMA, this was something that the David Tech community found. FVMA, which is this one here, still only one indicator on the FVMA. Absolutely fantastic for finding trend direction. It hugs price action, as you can see. It really is hugging it. And it's very good for altcoins because it gets in and out of trades, gives us our trend direction. An absolutely brilliant indicator the FVMA has been for, I think it must be about 2 years that we've had the FVMA. I remember Marco talking about it and telling us how good it was. And but it was a long time ago. Found it on the NNFX channel. Don't know, Vlad, do you remember? Long time ago,
indeed.
Yes. Let's just put it down to that, guys. It was a long time ago. And as you can see, this is BSW. BSW, if you would have purchased there, you'd be an unhappy bunny. And if you would have used our strategy, you would have been a happy bear with Vlad up here at 1,300%. Yeah, happy bear team. We'll get you some t-shirts, mate, with that on it. 1,300%, max drawdown 23%, 320 trades, and a win rate of 53%. Profit factor of 1.4. By the way, we're compounding. Yes, everything is compounding. The last one. Glad you're going to have to read the questions to me. I'm getting so old that I can't see my blooming screen. I've got 3 screens and one so far away over here that I can't see the comments. I need to get, like all the other YouTubers, have the comments flying up their screens here so I can see them.
All good so far.
All good. Everybody's happy in chat. Let's get some thumbs up for Happy Bear in the chat from Vlad, who's done all of the hard work of putting all of these charts together on my screen for me. Also happy bear emojis in the chat would be absolutely amazing. All right. Okay, we're going to continue. BTC, USDT. Vlad, if you've got anything important to say, please interrupt me. I do go on for a long while. I know that you've got some fantastic bits to share as well. Okay, great. So we have another one, which is BTC, USDT. And if it does get boring, just put it in the chat. This is going on too long, David. I know that these stats make me happy. I mean, if I was in a nightclub and I found this chart, I would certainly be well chuffed. So this is sort of my thing. I like these charts. Right. Anyways, we're going to move on. Moving on. This is getting a little bit weird. This one here is the TTMS, another fantastic indicator. The TTMS is the TTMS, can't remember what it stands for, is the trend indicator, which is our squeeze momentum indicator. Squeeze momentum indicator uses Bollinger Bands and Keltner channels to work out when the market's actually going to pump. You sit a Bollinger Band inside or outside of when it squeezes and goes inside of a Keltner channel. The Keltner channel works with your highs and your lows. When it goes inside the Keltner channel, it's considered as a squeeze. That's when this all goes red like this. And when it goes white or green, that means it's pumping or dumping. It's squeezed outside of that channel. Brilliant way of working out that the market's going to explode in either direction. Doesn't really do a very good job of telling you whether it's going to go up or down, but it tells you that the volatility is back in the market. This one here is 2,300% net profit. We have a max drawdown of 44% and 122 trades. We have a profit factor of, a profit factor. Now we have a win rate of 41%. Yeah, not looking great, but no, not looking great. Not the highest of win rates, but as long as it's profitable, doesn't make any difference. Yeah, that's what we're here for. We're here for the profit. Win rate's more for what's in your head. I mean, if you can go sit through small losses, maybe you can sit through a 41% win rate. I certainly can. It doesn't cause me a problem in the slightest. But I know that a lot of people would turn off a bot with that low win rate. So, yeah. But then again, this is more interesting to me, is a profit factor of above 1.73. That is where you can see that this strategy is great. Currently in a bit of a drawdown. This is obviously live trading over from here. So, well, I don't know exactly when. This would have been June. Let's have a look in the list of trades. June. So we would have had 118. Let's go back to the overview. 118 from there. So I wasn't far off. So this is live trading. So obviously going to leave it some more time to see how it plans out. Next one, another Bitcoin. Have the same problem with this. I think this is sort of the problem we're coming up with the Bitcoin setups is that it's not that we can't find back testing. It's more we put them into live trading. A lot of them are not working out as we hoped, which seems to be the problem with Bitcoin. Like I said earlier, we're finding things like this one here are continuing to work on live trading and things like that. But Bitcoin, I'm finding just harder to trade as an algo trader. Like I said, it makes no difference as long as we're profitable. We're here to beat the benchmarks. So 1,190% profit on this one here. This one is the stiff momentum, one of our most famous strategies. Max drawdown is 46%, and we have 509 closed trades. And another profit factor, which is a bit low. So if you can take lots of small losses, it's not a problem in the world. We have a profit factor of 1.4, which is a little bit less than the previous one. That was BTC USDT on the 1 hour time frame. We have AVE. Anyway, we have AVE of 4,000%. Yeah, I was just making sure. 4,000%. Yeah, sorry. I kind of doubt myself, so then I go a bit weird. So anyway, 4,000%. We have had a couple of wins in a row, which is great recently. 4,000% net profit. This is on a 45-minute time frame. We're on AVE USDT on Bybit, I believe, as the backtest results. This is the Trend Who indicator, another fantastic indicator which we found. This thing here, Trend Who. This one here. Oh, there's more people that have actually made it. Let's have a look, see what their one looks like. Come on. Yes, this is Trinity Who. Fantastic indicator. There's a David Tech Word version on the David Tech website, but use this one, whichever you would like. You can get it for free off David Tech as well. davidtech.com/indicators. daviddtech.com/indicators. Yes, so this is an absolutely brilliant indicator. It's brilliant for confirmation. I mean, when this crosses over, this has taken this entry here. I should imagine it crosses over into the green. We're in the green. We use the T3 for trend direction, which is another fantastic indicator. T3 by David Tech. Why is it not bringing up my indicators? David Tech. Oh, it's because I'm on the other account. That's why. Okay. But T3, no, I can't find it. So you can find all the indicators on davidtech.com over here. up here, they're here. Indicators, free indicators, they're all here. You're free and open source. You can get them from there. So now I have to find that window back here. Okay, too many windows. Right, yes. So when this goes over here, when we have the trend direction from the T3 and it's green, we're waiting for this to go green as well. And I should imagine we've got the ADX or something like that to make sure there's enough movement in the market. As soon as they all line up, we can take an entry just here like this. And as you can see, it just absolutely is brilliant at finding those entries. This is really one of the gems that we found last year, which is the trend view. Moving on. Backtesting results, David. Stop going into data. Guys, how are you all going? We got some Papa Bears in the comments from Crypto J. Crypto J. Off we go.
Right, I'm message, right?
Whose message?
Mine.
Thanks, Vlad. Right.
I love algo trading, right?
We're going to continue. We've got this one here, 4,000% net profit, a max drawdown of 42%, which is rather high. But like I said earlier, you can reduce the leverage. And we just backtest on 10x leverage and 10% portfolio, reduce that. And that obviously is going to reduce this and this as well. But obviously, as an algo trader, one of the most important things is to preserve your capital and so you can continue trading, which you can thanks to bots. For 382 closed trades, we have a win rate. Wow, the win rates are insanely lower on these ones recently. Like I said, it makes no difference, but it's strange that we have a month of lower win rates. The win rate, 44.5%. The equity curve looks good, but it's good. Not one of the best ones that we've had, but looks okay. I'd leave it to run a bit longer. Near USDT, another one here looking great. We have a 2,783% profit. This is the JP Trend Force. JP Trend Force, another indicator. I won't go through all the indicators, otherwise we'll be here all day. But if there's any indicators next time, guys, that you would like me to show you as we go through, I'll do it on the other browser because that way I'll be able to get access. I'm currently on Vlad's account. That's why. On his trading view account. Sorry, Vlad. Because he does all the hard work in the background. And then I just come on and look beautiful and show everybody, and everybody thinks it's me. So I have to steal his browser.
I'm used to.
Yeah. So anyway, I do a good job of that anyway. So I'm just going to pretend that this was me. So this was 2,000%. And yeah, like I said, if you want me to go through any of the indicators in the next show, I'll quite happily go through them. Just tell me in Discord. 2,783%. We have a max drawdown of 47%. Total trades of 269%. What's nice is that so many of these have a huge number of trades, which is great because it just gives more confirmation that they may continue in the light that they've been. Bit of down here at the end, but there is one thing that I've learned from our platform that me and Vlad, 3 years ago, maybe 2 years ago, if it wasn't finishing here like this at the end, we would have just completely binned it. But since we've had the platform, we actually realized that this really doesn't matter as long as it continues up afterwards in live trading like this. I mean, before we would have totally rejected this one because of the downwards movement before the end of the trading. So, and now we just wait and see how it plays out in 3 months, 6 months time, and we'll trade it if it continues. But this means nothing. Next one, ADA. We have 209%. The equity curve looks amazing on it. We have only a 5% max drawdown. What is that trading? This is on a Heikin-Ashi indicator, not the Heikin-Ashi candles, because we can't trade the Heikin-Ashi candles. This must be on 2% of the portfolio with 25. I'm going to stick this at 10 to see how this goes. Normally we do this before we go live. So we're going to see how it updates to see what it looks like with 10x leverage. 10% of portfolio to make sure it's fair. Waiting for trading view to update. Okay. Wow. Okay, so 17,000%. Vlad's gone. I was drinking. You can drink in front of us, Vlad. You don't have to hide. 22% makes drawdown. The end of the chart does look a bit sideways, so be careful. But 17,000% and only 22% makes drawdown is absolutely insane. We have 736 closed trades, a profit factor of 56%. Sorry, not profit factor, a win rate of 56%, and a profit factor of 1.3. This is Heikin-Ashi candles, so we're not using Heikin-Ashi candles. We're using this thing here, which is this yellow indicator here. This emulates Heikin-Ashi candles, but it isn't Heikin-Ashi candles. The reason we can't use Heikin-Ashi candles on TradingView is because they're a complete algorithm in their own right. There's math behind them. So, for example, if you have a Heikin-Ashi candle, I don't know how I can draw this on here. We're going to go through some drawing candles. That's not so bad. There we go. We got our Heikin-Ashi candles. Because the high and the low, the high and the low is a calculation, you could actually have the real candles, the actual close of the actual, that wasn't right. If the open and the close of the candle look like this in a Heikin-Ashi candle, these are calculations. So the actual real candle close could be either a lot higher or a lot lower. And you're going to be sending your signal over to the exchange. The exchange is going to get the real high-end close, and you're going to be sitting there thinking, why didn't I get the entry of the Heikin-Ashi candle? And the reason is because it's a calculation and isn't the real price of the market at the moment. So we created this thing here, which emulates it, sends the real data from the real candle, but just helps to build upon that algorithm instead of using the actual Heikin-Ashi candles. As you can see, we're actually on the normal candles here. This also uses the chandelier exit, which is another fantastic indicator. Looks very much like the super trend here. Great indicator, and the LSMA for trend direction. Great combo of indicators. Let's remove my drawings because we don't need them. There may have been some other drawings from Vlad a bit later. I'm going to remove them by using Control Z. Boom. Right. And we're going to continue on. I think I went through all the stats. Did I go through the stats of this one? It's a beer belly candle. Okay. Nobody likes my drawings. I won't take it to heart. We're going to move on because it's taking too long to load. This one's Sol USDT, Precision Trend Mastery, which is another fantastic strategy. Lots of setups from the Precision Trend Mastery with not too many followers, so they may be ones to have a look at. This is on Sol USDT. Let's have a look because Sol has been fantastic recently, and we're still beating the buy and hold. So if you would have bought Sol here, you would still be happy because you'd be at a gain. And if you be trading this strategy, you'll be even happier. We're going to continue along. We have 1,002%. We have a max drawdown of 34%. Total trades 181. That's great. We're on a 45-minute time frame. Sol USDT on Bybit. Profit factor of 1.65, which is great. So yeah, I'm going to move on to the next one because it's another Sol setup as well. This one will not have beat the buy and hold, as you can see here, because it's only 398%. Max drawdown is 28%. We have 91 closed trades. So for me, I'd leave it to run a bit longer. It is on the 1 hour time frame, so it's strange that there isn't more trades. We are going all the way back to 2021. Win rate 63% and a profit factor of 1.862. Looks good. I'm not sure what the strategy is. This one is Precision Trend Mastery as well. I should imagine it's probably sent. Oh, this one was actually optimized by myself. But anyway, yeah, you can't win them all. It looks up. It's going up just to defend myself. But yeah, there's not that many trades. BTC USDT. Let's finish it on BTC USDT on Sol as well. Looking fantastic. This is a nice equity curve for BTC USDT and finishing on a high. We have 1,216% max drawdown of 30%. So I'd like to reduce leverage myself or equity size to reduce that a little bit if I was trading it. 236 closed trades. Profit factor, win rate. I need to remember this is win rate. Win rate is almost 60% at 58% and a profit factor of 2. Let's just have a very quick look at the list of trades. This was June, so we have a couple of trades. 231 over 231, so there's not that many trades. Yeah, they're still going up, so we'll see how that plans out in the next couple of months. And the last one, which I almost forgot, which was Sol USDT 800%. This is on Precision Trend Mastery. This was a operator, so his is much better than mine, of course. So as that's 852%. We have 23% makes a drawdown, and we have a 229. My brain is going completely dead here. We have a 38% win rate and 2.2 profit factor, guys. I told you this is most important. One of the most important. The EV and the profit factor are the two most important. Numbers. I can't remember the word. Yeah, it is. Yeah, can't remember. Brain's gone. Been doing too many figures. Yeah, so two most important calculations, or whatever you want to call it, out there as far as I'm concerned. So yeah, going up. Let's have a look at buy and hold. We're beating the buy and hold, and this one here is June. Same sort of situation as the other ones. We have June. Go to the beginning of June here. I just had a couple of trades. So we're going to be looking June here, 18, 218. Let's had a couple of trades. So we're good. It's going upwards. So we're cool. Go up. Yeah, going good. Going good. So leave it a couple more months, see how it plans out. There's plenty of strategies on the actual site that have been optimized and graded and forward tested, like this one here, for much longer, which give you the live trading and the back testing results as well. I mean, this one's been traded for 1,744 days, incubated, so been put into live trading since 2311. This is old, man. Must have been one of the first ones we ever found. There's me saying that we're doing better. Wow.
Interesting.
Who optimized this? Marco B. Wow, Marco, if you're on the stream, congratulations, man. Wow. Only 16%. He's an old OG. There you go. There's one of them. Fantastic, guys. Guys, I know it's gone on a bit for the optimizations, but I think it's worth the wait. All of these will be added to the David Tech website. Plus, about, I don't know, I removed about 20 of them, so there's about 120 new setups being added to the website. I put the links in Discord. You can find them here. There's Discord over here with the wonderful members of Discord here. You can see here. I put all of the links here, so they're ready as soon as the bot has updated all of the trades and everything. It does normally. It's like 5 o'clock in the morning that it finishes. So they will be updated. Currently, they look like this. There's no stats currently at the moment, but as soon as they're updated, they certainly will be sent and updated to the site directly, and you get all of the stats. So there's about 120 of them, I believe. Gentlemen, I think we're good. Woohoo! Yes. Fantastic, guys. I hope everybody's well. That was all of these. We're currently about 90 people on chat. So, guys, if you don't mind sharing the stream, we're trying to rekindle, make it all good, make as many people as we can. Like I said, trying to work together to try and beat the hedge funds at their own game. We're doing good, very well. I think, like I keep saying, I think we're trying to be the most transparent channel out there. You can see all of my trades on the Bybit. I'm not sure that I opened it. Let's look. You can see all of my trades on Bybit. If I'm logged in, I'll show you. I think that's right. Oh, yeah, you can see all of my trades on Bybit. You can start to see them soon on Flowfin and Foobit. I'm trading all of the exchanges that I partner with because that way you can see how they work. For example, here we did a $10,000 challenge, and you can see that the past couple of days have been pretty flat on this one. It went up and it went slightly down. We'll have a look at some trades here to see how the trades are going. We're currently in two longs where I did get stopped out of those two shorts. To be honest, I'm quite happy that they stopped out and moved on and didn't spend too long in the two shorts. We have two shorts. We have near USDT and Sol USDT. Let's have a look at that Sol. We're nowhere near liquidation, nowhere near the stop. Well, it's a little bit closer to the stop loss. And this one here, near USDT, was that the one I was already looking at? No, this one here. There we go. Going up to the take profit up here. So yeah, all good. Everything's good. It's going the way it should do. Yeah, I don't know if you want to see some of the other ones as well. There was Mr. Lambo. You can see them on the copy trading part here. I go here very quickly, just that I don't show all of the copiers. I don't think would be mega happy. On my profile, here we go. There's the profile of Mr. Lambo, which is account 1. Now I've got 4 accounts, which aren't all on the same account on David Tech. I've got 4 accounts on Bybit. I have a couple of accounts on 2Bit and a couple of accounts on Blowfin. Trying to make, like I said, link them all together so you can see all of the trades and see which exchanges are most affected by slippage and things like that. So you can see all of that. So you can see here the 90 days. I think it looks great. Next one is the other one here. Like I said, this isn't for people to copy because you are paying a profit share of 10% on these things. So the idea more is just to show you what the strategies are behind it and give you more of a sort of overview. This one has slightly gone through drawdown today, as you can see. And then we've got another one as well. I think that I showed that yesterday. I don't think you go through every day, but have a look. Also in a bit of drawdown today as well, but looking pretty cool. Happy with all of them. And there's another couple of other ones as well. Like I said, the idea is just to be as transparent as I possibly can with all of the accounts so that you can see all of the trading. Not obviously trading the 1,200 strategies on David Tech, but I'm trading the set that I think are to be profitable in the long run. I'm not taking huge amounts of risk. I'm trading 1 to 3%, 1 to 3% on my accounts, so that that makes a nice equity curve. I do have some degen ones which I'm using in the background. I don't know whether really to share them or not, because I don't really want people going through huge amounts of drawdown and then complaining about it, because ones that I'm sharing are just the sort of the nice equity curves that are going up. It's not that the other ones aren't winning, they are. It's just that obviously if you use more equity and more leverage and things like that, that's going to show more drawdown, and I don't really want to put up with yeah, you understand. Awesome stuff, guys. Thanks very much, USA Crypto. Algo Training. Love the name. Brilliant. Yes. I remember you on yesterday. You should. BitUnix. BitUnix. I need to also do some copy trading on BitUnix as well, because I remember you saying yesterday that they're available in the US. Beats copy trade on Blowfin. I have indeed. I've got 2 or 3 accounts set up on Blowfin ready. They're just going through the initial stage of creating their equity curve, because you have your equity curve and then you have your transparent, like, live equity curve on Blowfin. So I just have to leave it there for them to create their equity curve. So I will be putting my strategies on Blowfin as well. Is the version of the ARB bot that Vlad made on the website? A good question. Is it on the website, Vlad? I think it is.
It depends. If more people join the WSOT, I might add it.
Yeah, good man. Good man. Yes. If you're in a country where you can get hold of a Bybit account, if you become part of the team, the WSOT team of David Tech, Vlad will share with you his wonderful strategy as well. We're going to share a lot more afterwards. We will also share them and like normal. Just love to try and beat this, but I need 10 people to join me. Just 10. That's all. 10 people to come in. You don't even have to really trade or anything like that. Just need 10 people to get me in there. And I mean, and then we will be able to become part of the team. I mean, all of these other teams got 1,000 people. I'm just asking for 10 people to join me so that I can go and annihilate it. Yeah, pretty simple as a competition. It's just to get the best P&L. Loads of prizes out there as well. Also, guys, I'll just give a last shout out very quickly to 2bit, because they certainly do help the channel quite a lot. They've got some great big bonuses at the moment. For, as you can see, if you register, you get 50 USDT. Trading bonuses up to $7,000. Also, most important, I know all of these bonuses are on all channels and things like that, but the most important is your fees. Get them as low as you possibly can. If there's an exchange out there that gives you low fees, that is where you get the most amount of edge, is having the lower fees. I think it's something that we catched onto pretty quick by finding strategies with a 1%, like some of the other exchanges out there are doing like 1% almost. The fees is almost impossible, but get your fees as low as you possibly can, and that will help you become a profitable algo trader. Guys, thank you for all of the questions today. Vlad, is there anything you'd like to add, my friend?
I guess I'm done as well. Thank you very much for having me here.
Thank you very much, Vlad, for all the hard work you put in. William, thank you very much for being in the background. William's in the background doing all the tech stuff for us. Like he said also earlier, if you have any questions, we are on Discord all the time in the general chat. If we're around, we will quite happily jump in and answer any questions. And don't forget to submit your elite backtesters to get more credits, get access to everything. It's all part of the fun. Like I said here earlier, guys, I've got to find the slide. Where is it? Come on. We're here to beat the hedge funds at our game. We are crowdsourcing, working together to find the best settings. It's a pleasure being here. I absolutely love it every day. And it's something that's made me an absolutely profitable algo trader. And I hope that we can help you do the same. What do you mean, coins? Hold on, there is a question. We were about to go, and there was a question. What about meme coins? Do you just suggest any settings? Now, the problem with meme coins is the amount of data that you can find. Some of the older ones, Dodge, those kind of things, certainly no problem with them. But when you're looking at like newborn meme coins, it's hard to know whether the strategy is going to be reliable in a long time. So anything that's not on the exchange, we can't trade anyway on a centralized exchange. So yeah, that's really it. There is a couple like Pingui, we've got Dodge, like I said. There's loads of those kind of like proper installed meme coins. If you're looking for something that's like really, really, really low cap and isn't on Bybit, we can't do it. What side do you need 10 people to join? It's this one here. Let me send you the link.
It's in the chat.
It's in the chat. Thank you very much, Vlad. Yeah, so it's in the chat. It's the WSOT for Bybit. It's a trading competition. Like I said, I just need 10 people to join at least, and then I'm going to go away and try and do my best with the team to bring in as much P&L as possible, and hopefully we can win this thing. Guys, once again, thank you so much for joining me here. I love it here. Absolutely love being back in the community after a long break. Yeah, thank you very much for everything. Thank you very much, Vlad. Thank you very much, William. Thanks, Lloyd, who's in the chat as well. Take care, everybody. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow at 4:30 p.m. UK time. Take care, everybody. Over and out. We're off. We've got to find that button again. This is how I finish every single stream. I really do have to learn how to do it. It even says Patreon on the thing. I need to get this sorted. Guys, have a wonderful day. Take care. Goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone.